GoodData has one-click auto-clustering capabilities. In this example, we can see a scatter plot. From here, users are able to easily add a cluster segmentation over the top, in this case, in 5 segments. To take it to the next level, technical users are empowered to open the Jupyter notebook and make changes to the clustering methodology if desired. From here, engineers can integrate any number of powerful visualizations or data science capabilities into the platform using their preferred language, libraries, and industry-specific methodologies. In order to best support this highly customized, agile, and code-based approach, we have many open-source blueprints available in Git for our user community, including the one used in this video.